Recording features. In a webinar, you may choose to set the recording to start from the green room when you go on air. To record your webinar later, if you change your mind, just press the record button at the top of the screen. Everyone in the webinar will know the event is recording by the button turning red in their view. You may pause or stop your recording and resume. If you choose to resume, we offer you the choice to append or overwrite the recording and start from there. Following your event, we provide you with a recording URL that you can share however you like, either through your account by emailing attendees or sending it out in your own emails. If you choose to send others to your recording URL, we will also provide you with a report about your viewers, gaining insight on who has watched and for how long. You may also download your recording as an MP4 file that you may edit on your own or upload directly to your YouTube or Vimeo channels.